We are team Puknuta žica from the island of Brač from Bol. The theme of our performance would be to showcase the process of harvesting olives and processing them into oil. We have 6 robots: a truck, human, doors, lights in the oil mill, a Lego robot representing a bottle of oil, and lights shaped like oil. The robot representing a human is made of Fisher interface, a battery, one motor, a distance sensor and bricks. It is programmed in the RoboCup program. The human is activated by the distance sensor when the truck passes by. Then, it lowers its arm, which opens a small box on the tree from which olives fall into the truck. The next robot consists of 6 lights connected to the Fisher interface and programmed in the RoboCup program. They light up on time. The first 3 turn on when the truck enters the oil mill. The next 3 turn on when the oil bottle starts moving, thus showing the operation in the oil mill. The last 2 light up when the oil bottle finally exits the oil mill. We made the doors from 2 stands connected by a rod. The rod is attached to a motor and a sheet is wrapped around it. They contain a Fisher interface, one motor, a battery, and a distance sensor, and are programmed in the RoboCup program. When the doors detect the truck using the distance sensor, they open, and after a certain time, they close again. The olive bottle is made from the Fisher interface, a battery, many bulbs, and a light sensor. At the end of our performance, we activate it with a flashlight, and it then lights up, representing the oil that has exited the oil mill and arrived on the family table. The Lego robot representing the oil bottle that has exited the oil mill is made of interface, 2 motors, and a distance sensor. It is programmed in Eve 3 program. The robot is activated by the distance sensor when the truck passes by. It then waits a bit and appears at the other doors, then moves towards the exit where it leaves the factory and comes to the family table carrying the oil bottle. The conveyor belt shows how olives are processed. It is made of Lego parts, a motor, a light sensor, and a distance sensor. When the bottle of oil reaches the other doors, the distance sensor starts the conveyor belt. The motor moves a ball to the top. The ball rolls down the belt, and the light sensor starts the motor every time the ball reaches the bottom. After a few repetitions, the belt stops. The truck is made of the Fisher interface, a battery, 4 motors, and 2 line-following sensors. This robot is programmed to follow the line at all times. When the truck starts, it reaches the tree where the human drops the olives into it. It then moves towards the oil mill. When it first stops briefly, it enters the oil mill after the doors open. When it arrives in the oil mill, the truck activates the Lego robot carrying the oil bottle.